I said drive it.
So I made the beat.
All right, Nikki, engineer, fabricator, mechanic. I mean, you can't do the peace sign yet because we're not at the end of the video.
Cheese on bread. You ain't say the head again.
Stop that for a second.
I'm gonna make a super thin wall.
So why do we have to make a super thin wall?
Because Yoshi uses the wrong bolts for his bell housing.
But that's what it came with. But tell the people why we're doing this in the first place.
There's a 19 mil bolt. Oh wait.
No. But why why we gotta pull the trans?
Because this does not actuate the clutch fork anymore on there because of the
kit.
Yeah, the bell housing adapter plate for the ZF BMW trans to a 2J. So I have to replace this with a tilt-in hydraulic clutch inside of the
No, not tilt-in, clutch master.
Oh, is that one clutch master? Sorry.
But the reason why we have to do this is because the pivot for the manual throwout bearing is not there. The kit that was sold, I think he fucked up on this kit because he doesn't sell it anymore.
It needs like a spacer between the bell housing and the fucking fork.
Yeah, because the PMC kit comes with like an adapter to move the pivot on the clutch fork so it can touch the face of the
pressure plate, and it actuates with the slave cylinder properly. But it doesn't do that.
No, this kit does not do that.
So now I gotta fix it.
Yes.
We got fix.
All right, Nikki's trying to get this little bolt out. Right in there. All right, so we got the trans out. There was one bolt that hung us up for what, half an hour or so?
Yeah, about.
So, Nikki,
it works.
There's a lot of waving in this video.
106. Is that a Sharpie?
Yep. You want me to hold anything?
75.
All right, Nikki.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a 10 mil right there.
You all right?
All right. Come and tell the people what we're doing. In order to make this work, this is from Auto Sports Engineering. I should insert the other video right now that I made to send to him. The kit that I bought, for some reason, the measurements are way off. Am I right in saying that?
Yep. You are correct in saying that the measurements are way off. Or 2 inches or more as far as clearance goes.
And how much millimeters of air gap did we have?
We had 22 mil at first with a 4 mil difference that we can get as tolerance. So I needed to clear a minimum of 18 millimeters to make everything work.
Properly.
Properly.
So
to make this work.
Hold on. I gotta pause. Unpausing.
Alright. So to make this adapter kit that Yoshi got work, what I have to do is we're converting over to a Clutch Masters or tilt-in style hydraulic throwout bearing.
Right there, yep.
And I have to add this many shims into the back of the system to even allow it to touch the clutch
properly.
And I have to cut the factory seal plate that much.
Yeah, we cut that much off of it to make it work with shims.
So in total, I had to clear a difference of, let's see, that's 92 with the plate, 75 to the pressure plate. I'm clearing 23 millimeters of a difference between the top of this system to the back of his clutch.
23 mil. Hey, look.
Hey guys, just saying. Yoshi says that that's 3 inches. So, I mean,
that's more than enough. 3 inches is more than enough. This is what we gotta do to make shit work. Why? Race car shit.
I need to be at 4 millimeters on the air gap between the top of the throwout bearing to the clutch.
And
As it
again,
sits,
hold on. And again, we have how many shims? We have a whole pack of shims.
Yep. So we have a full pack of shims in there right now.
Okay, so.
And I am still off 22 mil on the air gap, which is almost a full inch on air gap.
And that still wouldn't be enough. I'm gonna tell the people what we're doing in order to make this work.
I'll redo it then.
No, go ahead. Go for it.
So I have to get the slave cylinder we're putting into the transmission that actuates the clutch to clear almost 2 inches of a gap between the top of our slave to the pressure plate. And in order to do that, I have to build like a plate to hold everything together out of multiple pieces of metal. So it keeps good surface area, good clutch pressure. And now I gotta modify the snout so everything stays centered and clean inside the transmission.
Yep. And this is what we gotta do. All right.
So now that's what it's gonna look like with the throwout bearing up on top.
And then if we need a little bit more,
I can run my shims
right
in between
so
to make everything work.
all right, Nikki, engineer, fabricator, mechanic. I mean, you can't do the peace sign yet because we're not at the end of the video. Hold on. All right, Nikki. So we're custom making some shit right now.
Oh, I gotta sand down these bushings.
Make sure they're all
Almost
equal.
done, yep. They should be at about 34 millimeter by the time I'm done. And then what we're doing is fully caging the cylinder.
And we have plenty of engagement. People, Nikki's gonna, so you'll see what we did. We cut this up. This is steering wheel extender that we use
To make a pedestal and a cage
look at that.
to be able to support the tilt-in
Yeah.
and the spare extension that I need to allow this to engage to the inside of his clutch.
And have the proper air gap that we need. And we still got room to add some more shims.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Woo. Loctite?
Yeah.
Right there behind you. Yep.
We build shit. I want to tip it up again.
Yeah, tip it up. Fuck it. I added extra fluid anyways. Here, well, we can pull this off, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, that's solid. Like that is solid in there.
All right.
Hey, one video at a time. One video at a time.
One video at a time.
I'm just kidding.
It really wasn't that like difficult for me to figure out.
Well, it's not. Yeah, cause you know your shit. But hold on, I'm trying to get this to focus.
Better.
Hold on. Yeah, see right there. You can see it focusing on that, and then you can see it right there. There's an air gap of like 2 to 4 mil in there, so it's pretty good. Thanks, Auto Sports Engineering. You the best.
All right, Yoshi, what are we doing?
We are starting the car. Everything is assembled and good to go. The clutch is bled. I have some resistance, so you know. So we're gonna go ahead
Let's get her up.
and put it in gear and see what happens.
Sure.
Starting, neutral. All right.
First gear.
Yeah.
Let off. We're moving. It's working.
All right, so you saw that we started it. Now we are retapping it because the rod is not long enough.
Well, that's on a different slave or master.
Yeah, so
On the other master, everything was working, but it was leaking from the master itself.
and you can see it's been leaking for a while. If you can see all the brake fluid tearing up my paint down there and going through the frame rail.
On the other master, everything was working, but it was leaking from the master itself. So now I got to redo it to where we have a new master that's not leaking, and we're not going to have any issues.
All right, so car's back on the ground. There's no alignment. Nikki.
It's going to drive. All right. First drive. How long? 2018? 19.
2017.
2017?
Yeah. See that gear change? Nikki made it happen. Look at that. Nikki,
What's up?
are you happy?
I'm happy. Are you happy?
I'm happy. Look at this thing.
She's moving. She's driving. She's doing good.
Oh yeah, she's moving underneath her own power. Like, that's all right. So we just took it for a test drive. We're checking for any leaks. So what have we found? Anything so far? I gotta tighten that up. So far, so good.
So far, so good. Now we just gotta drive it, and then, you know, she's gonna bring me back down.
Yeah, definitely. God, that face you came up with though.
Worked out good, looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause you did everything. Runs, drive.
Did everything, runs, drives, goes through every gear, fixed a whole bunch of other things.
Yeah.
Power steering,
Exhaust
check
leak.
coolant, exhaust leak, fixed
Yeah.
the Audi.
Yeah.
2 days,
Yeah.
everything's
And
done.
we lost what, a whole day of work.
Yeah, we lost the whole day of work because I was laid over in Dallas for 18 hours and laid over in Colorado Springs for another 2 hours.
So yeah, you lost a lot. Yeah, we lost a whole day.
Yeah.
So thank you.